In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple steps to navigate and make effective use of HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide through appna2.hubspot.com. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this walkthrough will make sure you are up to speed with creating and managing custom property groups in HubSpot. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot Trial Guide. You'll find this on appna2.hubspot.com under the specific path for Sales Hub Professional. Make sure you're logged into your account for a seamless experience. Once you've landed on the page, your next move is to locate the Settings option. This is your gateway to customizing various functionalities within HubSpot, enabling you to tailor your experience to best suit your business needs. Click on the Settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol and should be easy to spot on your screen. Doing so will reveal a menu of options. In this menu, look for an option called Properties. This feature is integral as it allows you to manage and define data points unique to your business model. With Properties open, you'll next want to explore Groups. In many systems, organizing elements into groups is a method of maintaining order and efficiency. HubSpot is no different. Click on Groups to proceed. Now that you are in the correct section, it's time to create a new group. Look around for a button labeled Create Group. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding a new collection of properties that can directly influence how you segment and interact with your clientele. Naming your group is the next step, and it's crucial for easy identification and retrieval in the future. Think of a name that clearly reflects the purpose or category of the properties that will reside within this group. Click on the field marked Name and type in your chosen identifier. Finally, to ensure the changes you made are preserved, make sure to click on the Save button. This action will secure your group creation and cement the structure you've designed within your HubSpot account. With everything saved and in place, feel free to explore further or return to the dashboard to witness your newly structured setup. Hopefully, these instructions have guided you through this process effortlessly. Remember, customizing your settings in HubSpot can significantly impact your workflow efficiency and data organization. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to create additional groups or adjust existing settings. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.